for Johnny Cat. I draw green cat. No, I draw him. For Johnny the cat.
Yes.
This is a cat paper.
It's a picture frame with the cats.
And they're with the cats.
They love their cats.
There's a heart. I'll try your kitty.
Okay.
I try my kitty cat. Try your kitty cat.
I can't.
Why?
I'll take turns after you.
I can draw on this side. Oh, why is he yelling? I like cats yelling so much.
Maybe he's hungry.
I don't know. Yeah, hungry.
Who is it, Pipey Boys?
Cause she acting. Cause she acting.
I don't know if it's Pipey Boys meowing.
Cause she asking for.
Maybe for food.
I don't know for food.
Oh, that's so cute.
What's cute?
The two cats. What are they doing?
That's my green cat. That's your mommy blue cat.
What are they doing? What are they doing together?
I want the blue one.
Okay.
Where's my blue one? That's a blue crayon.
It's a different type of blue.
Mommy, mommy. That's blue.
Yeah.
That's a different type blue.
Oh, sorry. Yes, different color blue.
Yeah.
Use it.
You made that cat coat
Oh, not today. Okay, what color do you want to do that?
blue.
Oh, I'm gonna color the sunflowers.
I can draw it.
Oh, the inside.
Go, the flowers. Like these flowers,
What kind of flowers?
they're beautiful.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, they're all blue.
They're called sunflowers.
Sunflowers. I like sunflowers.
Who doesn't?
Glory.
And then what color should we make the leaves?
Green.
Are leaves always green?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
I tried them inside with blue.
Oh, now they're blue.
I try your blue one.
That one right there. Oh, look, I think it's snowing outside.
Where?
Right there.
There?
Yeah. Is that snow?
Yeah,
Or is that just green mountains?
that's green mountain.
Should we make the mountains pink?
Yeah, I want to make a mountain blue. What's your drawing?
Oh, I'm coloring. I think these are snacks down here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Where's that? Oh,
I broke my crayon.
where?
Right there. That's okay.
I gave you a different crayon. Use that crayon.
Thank you.
My crayon broken.
No, that's okay.
It's broken. It's broken.
No,
Yes, no, it's not broken.
it's not broken. I like it.
Well, what's cat doing peril?
They're laying down. Maybe they're having an afternoon nap?
Mom.
A siesta?
Mm. You're supposed to be shot down a light.
Okay. I go under you.
April cat. White.
That looks great. I want to show you something. This is a music box, and the song says "My Love," so we can sing a song. Baby, 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 where did our love go? Oh, don't you need me? Don't you need me no more, baby, baby? I've got this burning, yearning, yearning feeling inside me. Oh, deep inside me. And it hurts so bad, baby, baby.
That's a music box
Yeah.
for baby Lori.
For baby Lori or maybe for the baby cats.
Yeah, for baby cats. We're gonna get that one for later.
You think so? You came into my life, baby, baby, so tenderly, like a burning love that stings like a bee, baby, baby. And now that I
Mommy?
surrender,
Look,
I love it.
I made it blue.
Is that the color today?
Yes.
Okay, what else do we have to color? We only have the few more things. We have trees, and we have a road, and then we have curtains.
Okay.
What next? Okay, that's not right. Here, how about this? These look like Christmas trees.
I went all up.
How many trees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I can't see.
Nope, sorry.
Oh,
Almost done. Do you want to color the road or the curtain? Or you think that that's good for now?
That's good for that.
You think so?
Yeah. Like going that, so going that.
Oh, you're just going everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. How about... No. You should do good coloring. How about I do the curtain, and then that's the last thing to do.
No, that's the one we're doing. That's the one we're doing. That's short.
That's the last thing.
No, that's one more.
Okay, what do you think about this curtain?
I like it.
You like it?
No more stuff to draw.
No more stuff to draw?
No.
Okay, I think it looks great.
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 So great. 2 times. Ooh. 2 times great.
It's great.
It's great.
It's done now. Oh, it's done now.
Pretty much.
Mom, let's don't draw yet.
All done. High five. Yeah.
Wow.
Give me a high five here.